Okay, get this. We're diving into the world of clothing process control technicians today.
Really?
The people who make sure our clothes are, well, actually clothes.
Precisely. And it's not as simple as it sounds.
Right.
This role is a fascinating blend of fashion and technology.
I was flipping through RoleCatcher's career guide on this, and I had no idea how much goes into it.
Yeah,
It's way more high-tech than just some sewing machines, huh?
absolutely.
Yeah.
We're talking computerized systems, specialized machinery for different garments.
Wow.
Think of it like a symphony of technology all working together to create a shirt or a pair of pants.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's a cool way to put it. So walk me through this.
sure.
What does a clothing process control technician actually DO all day?
Well, picture yourself on the factory floor.
Okay.
We're surrounded by these amazing machines,
Mhm.
and you're responsible for making sure they're all humming along in perfect harmony.
So you're like the conductor of this high-tech orchestra?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You'll be monitoring process control equipment, making sure everything's calibrated correctly.
Okay.
If something goes wrong, you're the one who figures out why and gets things back on track.
Oh, wow.
There's a lot of problem solving on the fly.
And I'm guessing attention to detail is key here, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You're also responsible for quality control checking seams, making sure colors are consistent.
Wait, color management?
Yeah,
Tell me more about that.
sure.
That sounds surprisingly complex.
It is.
Really?
Getting the color just right is crucial in fashion.
You're right.
A small variation can make a huge difference in the final product.
Wow.
You'd be surprised how much science goes into making sure that red shirt is the exact shade of red it's supposed to be.
Wow, I never would have thought about that. So it's not just about operating machines, it's
Oh,
about understanding the nuances of color, fabric, and design.
exactly. And that's just a taste of what this role entails.
Okay, now I'm even more curious. But before we go any further, I have to ask, what are some of the pros and cons of this job?
Sure.
What's it really like to be a clothing process control technician?
Well, one of the biggest rewards is that you get to work with your hands
Right.
and see a tangible product come to life.
Yeah.
Um, it's satisfying knowing that you played a part in creating something people will wear and enjoy.
That does sound pretty rewarding.
Yeah,
What about the challenges?
Sure.
RoleCatcher mentioned something about exposure to chemicals.
that's right.
Yeah.
Depending on the materials and dyes being used,
Okay.
there can be exposure to chemicals or allergens.
Oh.
For instance, certain fabrics require treatments with flame retardants
Uh-huh.
or waterproofing agents.
Right.
So being mindful of safety protocols and potentially wearing protective gear is part of the job.
That makes sense.
Right.
It's not just about the cool tech, it's about working safely too.
Right.
But overall, it sounds like a career with a lot of potential.
Yeah, definitely.
What can someone who's just starting out expect in terms of growth?
It's a great stepping stone, actually.
Okay.
You might begin by assisting more senior technicians,
Right?
getting familiar with the equipment and processes.
So you really work your way up from the ground floor.
Exactly.
Okay.
And that experience can open doors.
Right.
You might eventually find yourself analyzing production data
Uh-huh.
to improve efficiency, maybe even designing new processes.
Wow, designing new
Yeah.
processes.
Yeah.
So we're talking about going from operating the machines to actually innovating how things are made.
Precisely.
Wow.
RoleCatcher even mentioned how some senior technicians end up managing entire production lines or
Wow.
overseeing the integration of new technologies.
Right.
Imagine being on the cutting edge of the industry, implementing something like 3D printing into the manufacturing process.
Wait, 3D printing clothes?
Yeah,
That's wild. How does that even work?
it's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
They use special printers and materials to essentially build garments layer by layer,
Okay.
directly from a digital design.
Wow.
It's still in its early stages, but the potential is huge.
Right.
Less waste, faster production times, and the ability to create completely customized designs.
Okay, now that is seriously cool.
This is pretty interesting.
So someone starting out as a clothing process control technician could potentially be at the forefront of this 3D printing revolution.
Absolutely.
Wow.
And that's just one example of how this field is constantly evolving.
Right.
There are always new innovations and challenges to keep things interesting.
That's what I love about these deep dives. You never know what you're going to learn. So for someone who's hearing all of this and thinking, this sounds like my calling.
Yeah.
What are some concrete steps they can take? What does RoleCatcher advise? Well, they really emphasize getting that hands-on experience.
Yeah.
Internships, apprenticeships, even volunteering at a local factory
Right.
can give you a feel for the work and make your resume stand out.
It's true.
Yeah.
Practical experience is invaluable in this field. And don't underestimate the power of networking,
Yeah.
attending industry events, connecting
Yeah.
with people online.
Right.
You never know what doors might open.
Networking, always good advice.
It is.
But what about the technical side? It sounds like you need to be pretty tech savvy for this kind of work.
Yeah.
Any tips there?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Familiarize yourself with different types of manufacturing software.
Okay.
Stay updated on the latest technologies.
Right.
Even taking some online courses in areas like automation or process control
Yeah.
can give you a leg up.
So it's really about combining that hands-on experience with a solid understanding of the technology.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's where a resource like RoleCatcher can be so helpful.
Right.
They don't just provide career guides.
Right.
They offer tools to identify the specific skills you need for this role, tailor your resume, and even practice interview questions.
Wow.
It's about giving you the resources to put your best foot forward.
That's incredible. It's like having a personalized career coach in your pocket.
Precisely.
Wow.
Because at the end of the day, it's about finding a career path that excites you,
Right.
challenges you,
Yeah.
and lets you contribute your skills to something tangible.
Right.
And who knows, maybe you'll be one of the pioneers bringing 3D printed fashion to the masses.
Right. From operating high-tech machinery to shaping the future of fashion, being a clothing process control technician, sounds like anything but ordinary.
Not ordinary at all.
Yeah.
It's a dynamic field with endless possibilities.
This has been an eye-opening deep dive.
It has.
I had no idea how much innovation and precision go into making the clothes we wear every day.
It's an industry full of surprises.
It certainly seems that way. For our listeners who are ready to take the next step, be sure to check out RoleCatcher.
Absolutely.
They have a treasure trove of resources to help you explore this exciting career path.
Yes.
Until next time, this has been The Deep Dive, your shortcut to industry knowledge.